farmer, but I'm willing to be a farmer's wife. If there's anyone out there on a big farm in Laois or Offaly or Westmeath or the surrounding areas, I'm looking for a farming husband.
That's it. This is the very famous Catherine Lynch. You get to recognise her voice when she talks on TV.